What is up, guys? It's LMG Motorsport here, finally with an update on the turn signal fix. I had the hyper flash in the previous video that I'll link down below. I just removed that turn signal, the old one right here. This is the outlet. You can watch the previous video to see how to properly remove the tail light. I have the new light right here. Looks like that's what's going to be the issue. The previous one was just one from Amazon, some cheap bulb from Amazon, but now I have this better one with a built-in canvas error-free system. It works on the left side, which I'll show you guys in a second. And yeah, we're gonna get this plugged in and test it out. All right, as you guys see here, I have the turn signal on and it's flashing perfectly, no hyper flash anymore. All right, guys, here are the lights reinstalled. Everything's working fine. I'll link the lights I got now in the description below, and the video to remove the lights and take out the bulbs and everything also. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.